kind of tax benefits are there to owning real estate that maybe the new investor is not considering, as to why, even though their property could be negative cash flowing, that at the end of the year, it may be more profitable to them than they're thinking of?
Yeah, great question. I can think of 3 things right off the bat. One is it's a way to postpone your tax liability. And I say postpone because, being realistic, you never just get out of your taxes, but it's a good way. Like if you're making a fair amount of money in a given year, having a real estate property gives you really large tax breaks so that you don't have to pay those taxes in the given year. So huge tax breaks, that's a big reason. Another reason is real estate grows so quickly. You just can't go wrong with real estate. So you may be breaking even or possibly negative cash flowing, but let's say, for example, you're negative cash flowing a couple $100s a month. What's that in a year? $2,400. Well, do you really think that your property after one solid year is not going to appreciate by at least $2,400?
Yeah.
So it's the appreciation that people that talk to you like that, they're not considering. It is not just the cash flow. And then another reason is just being able to utilize tax deductions in creative ways that we haven't talked about yet, but really just being able to use a business structure and utilize it in ways that can just help you personally as well.
Yeah.